Okay, so these are known as propositional statement. Now you can write the definition of propositional statement. So we can write any sentence which is either true or false, which is either true or false. Okay. So proposition means any sentence which is either true or false is a proposition, or we can say it as a statement. Now see, so there are many examples given in the books, like this an elephant weighs more than a human being, so that is true. That is also a proposition. It was raining in Delhi during New Year's Eve in 2014. Okay, now we can immediately see that the first and the fourth sentences are correct, while second and third sentences are incorrect. There is no confusion. However, though we may not be able to know immediately whether the fifth sentence above is true or false, it is obvious that it will have only one value, true or false. It cannot be both true and false at the same time, and it is also a statement. Now, there is another sentence given that it was raining in Delhi during New Year's Eve in 2014. So now on that day, 2014, okay, maybe there is a rain or may not be rain. So there may be only one possibility. Either it will be rain or it may not be a rain on that day. So yes, the answer will be either yes or no. So that is also considered to be a sentence or proposition.
Sir, कौन से पेज नंबर पे हुआ?
Yes.
Sir, कौन से पेज नंबर पे रीड कर रहे हैं?
That is chapter number 8, beta, 240 page in ML Agarwal book. Okay, so notice that a statement either is true or false, or equivalently either valid or invalid. It cannot be both true or false at the same time. This fact is known as the law of excluded middle. Thus, a sentence is called mathematical acceptable statement if it is either true or false, but not both. Okay, so we can write. So we can write a sentence is said to be a mathematically accepted statement if it is either true or false, but not both. Okay, so any statement which is considered to be true or false, any one that is considered to be a mathematically accepted statement, that is also known as propositions.
Sir, right का दिख नहीं रहा है.
Now consider the following sentences. Yes, what do you think?
Right का दिख नहीं रहा है.
Okay, मैं थोड़ा इसको कैमरा को एक मिनट. Okay, so that is the first thing, the proposition. Okay, so shall I run this? Now I am adding few of the things. Okay, and you can say which are proposition and which are not. Please don't look at your book because in the book it is given. So don't look at your book. Then we will start one exercise given after this one. Exercise is given that will start. So few sentences I am writing mix with the sum of proposition, sum or not, and you have to say which are proposition and which are. So starting with first. First one is girls are more intelligent boys. See, those who are statement on the side of it, you just write S, and those who are not statement, you just write not S. Okay, so in that way you can write.
Sir,
Okay, so see, these are the two sentences I have written. All these are sentences, and out of these sentences, few are proposition and few are not. Means few are mathematically accepted statement, or we can say it to be a propositions, and few are not. Now let us see which of them are propositions
excuse
and
me,
which
sir.
of them are not. Yes, who is asking something? Please ask.
सर एट स्टेटमेंट क्या लिखा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एट सेंटेंस
So I am reading all the things. You just listen to everyone. First one is girls are more intelligent than boys. Second, there are 40 days in a month. Third, sum of two integers x and y are greater than 0. Fourth, 9 is greater than 14. Fifth, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Sixth, Sania plays tennis. Seventh, it was raining yesterday. Eighth, Srinagar is far from here. 9, all roses are red. And 10, tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay, so these are the few sentences. All these are the sentences, but who are considered to be a mathematically accepted sentences known as statement. or proposition. So let us see which are proposition and which are not. First, girls are more intelligent than boys. So what do you think according to you? Is it a proposition?
Sir, not a statement.
It is not a proposition because girls, in few cases, it may be true, it may be false. Both answer can be correct. Maybe true, maybe false. So when it is a both answer, we are getting both answers. So that is not considered to be a proposition. So it is not a statement. It is not a statement. There are 40 days in a month.
It's a statement.
There are 40 days a month. It is a wrong. Maybe 31 or 29 or 28 or 30 days in a month. So that is statement. This is a statement. Sum of two integers x and y are greater than 0.
It's not a statement.
Because see in this one, sum of two integers x and y are greater than 0. It may be a greater than 0, may not be a greater. Both answers may be possible. It depends on the values of x and y. So here both answers possible. So it cannot consider to be as a mathematically accepted statement. It is not a statement, not a proposition. 9 is greater than 14.
It's a statement.
It is a statement. 9 is greater than 14. It is a false statement. So means it is a false sentence. So it is a statement. 5 plus 3 equal to?
It's a statement.
उसके नीचे वाला है 5 plus 3 equal to 8. That is true. That is obvious. Next one. Sixth one is Sania plays tennis.
सर ये इसके पीछे
What is
क्वेश्चन
that?
मार्क
सानिया
होगा
plays
तो ये नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट होगा.
नहीं सानिया देखो सानिया में भी है नेम ऑफ एनी गर्ल. ओके वो टेनिस मतलब या तो वो टेनिस खेलती है या नहीं खेलती. दो में से एक आंसर हो सकता है. मे बी ट्रू, मे नॉट बी ट्रू.
सर अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क पीछे होगा तो क्या करेंगे?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
जब पीछे क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है किसी स्टेटमेंट के तो वो मतलब नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट हो गया ना, क्योंकि वो सही भी हो सकता है गलत भी हो सकता है.
हाँ तो क्वेश्चन मार्क हो गया तो दैट विल बी जनरली वो स्टेटमेंट नहीं होगा.
सर लेकिन इसमें तो सर ये बता रहा है कि सानिया प्लेस टेनिस.
हाँ अभी देखो इसमें देखो सानिया भी सानिया तो ऐसा नहीं लिखा है सानिया मिर्जा. अगर सानिया मिर्जा होता तो वी नो पर्सन सानिया मिर्जा. बट यहाँ पे सानिया लिखा है तो सानिया कैन बी द नेम ऑफ एनी गर्ल. वो खेल भी सकती है नहीं भी खेल सकती है. तो इसको हम लोग स्टेटमेंट नहीं कर सकते. नॉट कंसीडर इट एज स्टेटमेंट. लेकिन शायद इस बुक में दिया हुआ ये स्टेटमेंट है बट ये नोट ही होगा मेरे पास. सो इट वाज रेनिंग यस्टरडे.
सर ये स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है ना सर?
कहाँ पे रहेंगे? व्हिच प्लेस? ओके सो
सर ये
दैट इज
स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है.
इट वाज रेनिंग यस्टरडे कहाँ पे है? व्हिच प्लेस? प्लेस इज नॉट मेंशन, टाइम इज नॉट मेंशन. सो दे डेफिनेटली इज नॉट a mathematically accepted statement. Eighth one, Srinagar is far from here. क्या होगा? सेंटेंस होगा नहीं होगा? मतलब स्टेटमेंट होगा कि नहीं होगा?
सर नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट.
Not a statement because far from here. Here means which place? Okay, it should be mentioned that from which place Srinagar is far. So definitely confusing one means answer can be vary from person to person. It is like a set. You remember what you have studied in set. Set is a collection of distinct words and it is same for every person. If the collection contains it should be same for every person. Same way statement also. That particular statement is either true or false for every person. Not for one person it is true and another person it is false. So here it is not a statement because Srinagar is far from here. From Gandhidham it is really far. But if we consider a place near to Srinagar, it is near. That place is near to Srinagar. So answer can be yes or no. All roses are red. Yes, tell me please. All roses are red. होगा statement? Please answer.
सर रोजेस तो रेडी होते हैं तो स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है।
नहीं, रोज बेटा और रोजेज आर ऑल रोजेज बोला है ना, सारे के सारे रोजेज रेड है, ऐसा तो
हाँ,
नहीं है कि
नॉट ए
सारे के सारे
स्टेटमेंट।
रेड, व्हाइट कलर के भी रोज होते हैं, पिंक कलर के भी रोज होते हैं। सो ऑल रोजेज आर नॉट रेड। आंसर है नो, आंसर नो होगा इसका। तो यस इट इज कंसीडर्ड स्टेटमेंट, कंसीडर होगा क्योंकि इसका आंसर नो। फ्यू नहीं लिखा है, फ्यू रोजेज आर रेड नहीं लिखा है, ऑल रोजेज लिखा है, तो ये आंसर तो स्टेटमेंट होगा। टुमारो इज ट्यूसडे, क्या होगा?
सर नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट।
क्यों नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट होगा? व्हाई इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट?
सर आज क्या है वो नहीं बताया ना।
हाँ, ये नहीं बताया कि टुडे इज मंडे देन टुमारो इज ट्यूसडे, ऐसा नहीं बताया। तो यस इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट, बिकॉज़ आज अगर हम लोग कंसीडर करेंगे ट्यूसडे है, लेकिन यही स्टेटमेंट अगर कल हम लोग लिखेंगे तो वो रॉन्ग होता है। तो एक ही स्टेटमेंट अलग अलग जगह में जाके अलग अलग दिन में जाके अलग रॉन्ग हो जाता है, तो दैट इज नॉट ए स्टेटमेंट। तो ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट, व्हाट इज ए स्टेटमेंट, मैथमेटिकली एक्सेप्टेड स्टेटमेंट, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं प्रोपोजिशन। ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन
सर
दैट वी हैव एन एक्टिविटी, वी हैव एन एक्सरसाइज दैट विल डू।
सर सिक्स्थ वाले में डाउट है अभी भी।
व्हिच वन?
सानिया वाला।
हाँ, सानिया में देखो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सानिया का प्रॉपर वो नहीं दिया हुआ है कि सानिया
सर
मिर्जा
कौन
है,
सा सानिया
सानिया
ये नहीं बताया ऐसा ना।
टेनिस खेलती है, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि हर एक सानिया का जो नाम है वो टेनिस खेलती है। सानिया कैन बी नेम ऑफ एनी गर्ल, तो जरूरी है कि जितने भी गर्ल सानिया के नाम से सारे टेनिस खेलते होंगे। तो इसलिए ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये दोबारा कंफ्यूजिंग स्टेटमेंट, मे बी ट्रू मे नॉट बी
ओके
ट्रू।
सर।
ये जहाँ पे यस और नो वाला कंफ्यूजन होता है, दैट इज नॉट ए स्टेटमेंट मैथमेटिकल, दैट इज नॉट ए मैथमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट। सो इसलिए ये जो है स्टेटमेंट नहीं है। हाँ, इसमें अगर मैं लिख देता सानिया मिर्जा, मिर्जा लगा देता, सानिया मिर्जा प्लेज टेनिस, so definitely she is playing tennis, so that is correct। तब होता था, क्योंकि सानिया मिर्जा इज एन इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर, सबको पता है कि सानिया मिर्जा प्लेज क्रिकेट, तो हो जाता है। लेकिन इसमें मिर्जा नहीं लगाया, सिर्फ सानिया लगाया, तो सानिया कैन बी नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन, एनी गर्ल्स में। तो जरूरी है कि जितने भी नेम है सानिया का नाम से, सारे ऑल ऑफ देम आर प्लेइंग टेनिस। कुछ कुछ खेलते होंगे, कुछ कुछ नहीं खेलते होंगे। नहीं, इसमें ये देखो, इसमें इसमें हो सकता है स्टेटमेंट, आंसर आपके ये सब हो चाहिए ना। हाँ, जरूरी नहीं है कि सानिया वाले सारे गर्ल्स टेनिस खेले, या तो वो खेलेंगे या नहीं खेलेंगे। तो इसमें आंसर होगा यस, स्टेटमेंट, इसमें स्टेटमेंट लिखो। ठीक है, आंसर इसमें आंसर यस और नो नहीं हो सकता है, या तो खेलती होगी या तो नहीं खेलती। तो स्टेटमेंट है ये। Okay, now let us start. One of the exercises is given, so let us start that. Those who have good, they can start exercise 8.1, page number 242. Okay, please start on the notebook. Okay, so first question, that is exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1. First question. Identify which of the following are statements. Identify which of the following I am writing the proposition. Okay, both are same thing. Proposition means statements. Identify which of the following are propositions. Statement is mathematically accepted statement. Mathematically accepted statement. First, Krishna is black. Krishna is black. See, if it is proposition, simply write P. If it is not proposition, simply write N. Okay, so in this way you can mention P or NP you can mention. Second, please you write the statement also. Don't simply write NP or NP like that. You write the statement, then you write P or NP. How blank is Krishna?
Sir,
Okay, so these are the questions. See, I am reading the question. Those who are not able to see that properly. See, the first question is Krishna is black. Second is how black is Krishna. Third, listen to me. Fourth, a triangle has four sides. The moon revolves around the earth. Prime factors of 6 and 6 are 2 and 3. Do you know the prime factors of 6? Do your homework. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to x plus 2x plus 3. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 5. 2 plus 5 less than infinite. The earth is a star. Okay, so these out of them, which are statement and which are not, so you have to write. And the remaining homework today I will send it to the group.
sir,
So okay, so let us start. The time is less, so let us start. See, Krishna is black. Is it a statement? Is it a proposition?
yes, sir.
Answer can maybe yes, maybe no. So, but answer either you get yes or no. So yes, it is a proposition. How black is Krishna? Question पूछा है. How black is Krishna? That is a question mark. कोई भी इस तरह का question mark exclamatory marks होता है तो that will be not a proposition. How black is Krishna? We don't know. Answer is we don't know. So that is not a proposition. Listen to me. Listen to me. It is a order given to someone. Listen to me. So that is also a not a proposition because answer cannot be yes or no. A triangle has 4 sides. A triangle has 4 sides. It is false.
A statement.
That is proposition. The moon revolves around the earth. Is it a proposition? The moon revolves around the earth?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a proposition because it is true that moon revolves around the earth. Prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So that is
Yes,
also
sir.
a true. Prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Proposition. Next question is, do you know the prime factors of 6? Do you know? You maybe know or you may not be know. Means suppose it's the same question is asking to 2 different person. The answer may be coming yes and no both. So when the answer is coming both yes and no,
Sir,
it is not a proposition. So anything in the question
Sir.
or expression are generally not a. You will not never get them to be a proposition. Do your homework. Again, an order is given to someone. Do your homework. So that is also or instruction is given to someone. That is also not a proposition. This is a equation, a polynomial equation. It can be true, it may not be true if the values of x are different. Maybe this is left hand side equal to right hand side, or may not be left hand side equal to right hand side. But this is an equation, so we can say it is an equation. This is also maybe true, may not be true. So possible. It is either true or false. Any one will come. Here also, it is either true or false, and any one will come. So it is a proposition. नहीं 9th वाला हाँ so this is see this is okay this can be true or false to get proposition. No, I think both the thing because
सर लेफ्ट और राइट को सॉल्व कर देते
maybe 0 may not be 0. Both are the possibility. So it is not here also both answer possibility. So whenever there will be an answer come, both answer different, more than one answer is coming. So
Sir.
it is not to be a proposition. हाँ बोलो.
सर 10th वाले को अगर लेफ्ट राइट साइड वाले को सॉल्व करेंगे तो वो लेफ्ट वाले की इक्वल आ रहा है.
नहीं इक्वल नहीं आएगा ना. If you put different values of x, suppose x को 6 ले लो. If you take x to be say -2 ले लो x to be -2 लोगे तो that will be okay. यहाँ पे कुछ वैल्यू आएगा तो that is false आ जाएगा. If x equal to -3 ले लो तब भी 0 आएगा. मतलब इसका आंसर जो हो रहा है वो डिफरेंट वैल्यूज के लिए डिफरेंट हो रहा है. तो वो that is not a proposition. ये proposition नहीं होगा. ये है true proposition. ये है false proposition. इसका कहने का मतलब देखो these 4 questions are given straight directly one by one to understand that answer should be either true or false, not both. Both cannot be the possibility. ये हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. इस तरह का कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. If we have a confusion और आंसर yes भी हो रहा है नो भी हो रहा है तो it is not a proposition. अभी इसमें तो या तो yes होगा या तो no होगा. So that is a clearly proposition. 2 plus 5 less than 11. It is true proposition. The earth is a star. It is not a star. So it is a proposition. It is not a star. It is a planet. So it is a proposition. So these are the statement. So a few questions are left in this book. You can continue. You can complete these questions, and I will give these as a homework to you. Those who are not. So that I will send to you in the group. And those who have the book, they can do it from the book.
सर
Okay, now just a minute. Please tell me if your name is not there in the. So please you tell me if your name is not there. Because attendance, I am having a doubt a bit. Okay, so Bhavya, those who are present, according to me, I have marked it here present. Their name I am speak out. जिसका नाम नहीं बोलूंगा, they can just respond me, sir, my name is not called. Okay, Bhavya, Devansh, Garg, Manan, Mohit, Mustansir, Naman, Nandana, यशिका, श्रीवाली, श्रुति, निखिल। किसी का है जो नाम नहीं आया हो?
सर नैतिक का नाम नहीं आया और श्रुति तो है ही नहीं क्लास।
नैतिक एंड
सर श्रुति क्लास में नहीं है अभी।
श्रुति नहीं है क्लास में, लेकिन उसका तो प्रेजेंट लिख रहा है यहाँ पे।
सर पहले आई थी, अभी नहीं है।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो आई मार्क आउट एब्सेंट, नहीं है। Okay, so you can continue this. So I'll give the questions. So this is the first thing in the reasoning part. What is a statement? Statement means, mathematically accepted statement means a statement is either answer with true or false. Means either it is yes or no. Then only the statement is said to be a mathematically, means sentences are said to be a mathematically accepted statement, or it is known as propositions.
सर 10th वाला सर आप एक बार सॉल्व करो ना, वो x + 2 × x + 3, वो सर लेफ्ट वाले के इक्वल आएगा बिना x की वैल्यू लिए।
कौन 10th का? 10th?
हाँ सर 10th वाला सर इक्वेशन इक्वल आएगी फिर।
ओके, इक्वल। हाँ, तो इक्वल आएगी तो इट विल बी बोथ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ रहा है।
हाँ सर दोनों इक्वल आ रहा है।
हाँ, तो इक्वल आएगा तो प्रोपोजिशन। हाँ ठीक है, यस, +5 तो +2x + 3x कॉमन लेना, तो दैट विल बी ट्रू। ये जो है ये किसी भी वैल्यू ऑफ x के लिए ट्रू होगा, सो दैट इज अ प्रोपोजिशन, राइट। ये प्रोपोजिशन है। मैंने सोचा कि ये मेरे को एक्चुअली वो माइनस का लगेगा। ठीक है, मींस यू हैव टू, अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, सो योर थिंग इज टू डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन। प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके देखो कि अगर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में सेम आ रहा है तो डेफिनेटली ये कोई भी x ले लो, इफ यू टेक एनी वैल्यू ऑफ x, इट विल बी कमिंग टू बी ट्रू, बिकॉज़ ये आइडेंटिटी हो जाता है, सो इट विल बी ट्रू। इफ यू टेक 0 यार, 6 आएगा, 6 आएगा, 1 लेंगे तो 1 + 5 6 6 12, 1 लेंगे तो 3, 1 लेंगे तो 4, 3 4 2, सही।